Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreateAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I am going to do something a little fun, something a little different than what I do normally. This is on a 12 by 36 inch Artist Loft canvas. I did a pour, I don't know if it was the one before this or a couple before this, but anyway, it was just shades of blue and then a little bit of white going through it. Turned out awesome, but this time I want to do like some black going into, I'm actually going to use, so I'm going to use Artist Flow Acrylic Black. I don't know if I said that right, but so I'm going to use that on the top here, and then in the middle I'm going to use Soho's Rose Madder. Then for my little bit of lighter color, I added a little bit of Amsterdam's titanium white to it. And then I also, just for fun, to see if it actually will get some shimmer, I put in some Decoart's 24 karat gold in with the lighter shade of the Rose Madder. So we'll see if we get any shimmer from that or not. I don't know if we will, but I figured it wouldn't hurt to try. So I'm going to start off with the black here at the top. I do thank everybody for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and you will, I always got to say, you know, like and subscribe and share and all that fun jazzy jazz. Helps my channel out so much. I do appreciate everybody for all your support for my channel. I'm getting closer and closer to 1,000. Just super exciting for me. It's taken me quite a while to get there, but I'm getting there. So, and I appreciate you guys so much for all of your support with that. And because once I get to 1,000 subscribers, and once I get to, you have to have 4,000 watched hours, then I'll be able to get monetized, which is anybody who is on YouTube, that's like, you know, your goal to try to get to. And it's taken me a while to get there, but I'm super excited that I'm getting closer and closer. Every day I check I check my subscribers and see if it's gone up, and I get super excited even if it's just one. But so thank everybody for all of your support. It means a lot to me. All right, and I don't care if the black is in there because I'm going to kind of blend the two anyway. I'm just trying to kind of get it all smoothed out before I kind of start mixing the two together. I don't know, maybe I should have went a little bit lighter on this bottom one, I think. But actually I kind of like it. It's not too light, but it's not, you can just see the difference, and that's kind of what I was just kind of going for. Real quick, I'm just going to kind of go around here, make sure my edges are all done. I hope everybody is doing well out there and staying safe from COVID. It's like up and down here in Nebraska. It's like one minute you hear that it's getting better, then you hear we have a new variant, and now it's not. So it's like, I don't know, never ending, it seems like. All right, I'm just gonna make sure I got the black on. Some more black on my edge here. You can feel it's kind of dry. And I can see some shimmer in there. I'm kind of excited about that.
We're not okay. I look into your eyes and see you fade away. No, we're not the same. It's like we're on two sides of the Milky Way. Somehow we got used to the problems. Baby, we got used to falling. I'm tired of feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. 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 Yeah, I just wanna lose my Do you agree? This is not the way it is supposed to feel. Oh, and I can see there are different paths laid out for you and me. 'Cause baby, I'm a true believer, and I wanna stay true to my feelings. I'm tired of feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath.
Okay, so I'm going to bring it on for a close-up. Can you see the shimmer in there? Got some cool lacing and cells there a little bit. I kind of want to do this in black and gold. I think that'd be cool. I think I need to fix this. I don't like how that right there is. I don't know. But you guys have to tell me what you think. I do thank everybody for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and you will like and comment, share, do all that fun jazz, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I put up a next video. I do appreciate your guys' support. I hope everybody is doing well out there and you'll come back. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye-bye.